How to show or hide live transcribe icon in the apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, tap on live transcribe, and then we go down and tap on open live transcribe. Next, tap on the settings icon, then tap on more settings. In here, tap on show icon in the app list. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When that is switched on, you can go into your app screen and you should be able to find live transcribe in here. And here it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.